In the
Three.
can you see in the circle one in this circle two in Arabic shape in this circle three in Arabic shape in this circle
Oh,
four in Arabic shape this one five in Arabic shape and this one six where is this one seven six here and seven here okay do it this
and
one meme
why
start
is
from
there,
meme
and why is there letters on top of it?
okay this one
This is meme
good
standing Fatah. This is a meme standing Fatah.
don't use
Marsh.
okay next lam
La personally
sound
have sound that
soundly lam kasra li soundly
li
next one
have classy sound ki
next
next
ya
ya Fatah ya sound ya
next
wow
next
mean classy
sound
me
next
alif
next
na
next
dal plus di sound di
next
ya
next
plus lo ni
sound
ni
good job in this circle
and one
three
three